Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now.
Goan chicken vindaloo recipe. Spicy, tangy and packed with flavor. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we'll be sharing with you a detailed step-by-step recipe for chicken vindaloo, one of the most iconic dishes in Goan cuisine, famous for its rich spices, tangy vinegar punch and tender juicy chicken. This delicious dish combines the warmth of aromatic spices, the heat of red chilies, and the tanginess of vinegar, creating a perfect balance of flavors that's mouth-watering and deeply satisfying. It's a great way to impress everyone at home. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious chicken vindaloo. Step 1. Preparing the chicken. Take 1 kg of boneless chicken. We have used whole legs, but you can also use the breast part or you can even use chicken pieces with bones. But we prefer to use boneless chicken while making chicken vindaloo. Cut the chicken into medium-sized cubes like I have shown. Take 1 teaspoon of salt, add half now and add half after you turn the pieces. We have taken half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. We will add half the portion now and the remaining once we turn the pieces.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Now add the remaining salt. Also add the remaining turmeric powder or haldi powder. Mix everything nicely. Cover and keep aside. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Ingredients for the marinade. Take 1-inch ball of tamarind in a bowl. Soak the tamarind in half cup or 120 ml of warm water. Take 16 Kashmiri red chilies. You can replace few Kashmiri red chilies with Bedgi red chilies if you want your vindaloo a bit more spicy. Break the chilies into smaller pieces. Discard some of the chili seeds and all of the stems. Take 14 medium cloves of garlic. Cut them into small pieces. Take 1-inch piece of ginger. Cut it into small pieces. 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. Half teaspoon of black peppercorns. 1-inch stick of cinnamon. Break them into pieces. 8 cloves. Take half cup or 125 ml of Goan vinegar. If Goan vinegar is not available, apple cider or palm vinegar can be used. Ingredients for cooking. We have taken 4 medium-sized onions. Slice them nicely. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of salt. Step 3. Preparing the marinade. In a mixer grinder, add the tamarind with water, Kashmiri red chili pieces, black peppercorns, cloves, cumin or jeera seeds, ginger, cinnamon sticks, garlic. Add half cup or 125 ml of vinegar. Grind to a smooth paste. We added half cup or 125 ml of water while grinding. Marinade paste is ready. We have used half cup or 125 ml of water to rinse the paste that was left behind in the mixer and saved it in a bowl to use while cooking. Step 4. Marinating the chicken. Add the ground marinade paste in the chicken bowl. Apply the paste properly to all the pieces of the chicken. Request you to please share this recipe with your friends and family members across the world so we can reach many more people just like you. Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine far and wide. Marinated chicken is ready. Cover and keep aside for around an hour. Step 5. Preparing the chicken vindaloo. on medium heat in an open thick bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the sliced onions. Stir everything properly. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the bottom of the pan. From which part of the world are you watching this video? Do let us know in the comments. Let's spread the love for Goan cuisine to every corner of the world. Cook the onions until they become slightly golden brown. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Once the onions are slightly golden brown, add the marinated chicken. Stir everything nicely. Do not add any water at this stage as the chicken will cook in its own juices. Cover and cook for around 10 minutes. Stir in between to prevent anything from sticking to the bottom of the pan. The chicken, however, will release some amount of liquid. After 10 minutes, open the pan and stir everything nicely. Now add the sugar. Also add the marinade water which we got after rinsing the mixer. Mix everything properly. Add half teaspoon of salt. Add 1 cup or 250 ml of water. Mix everything nicely. Now reduce the heat to medium-low. Cover and cook for around 20 minutes. Stir in between to prevent anything from sticking to the bottom of the pan. After around 20 minutes, open the pan, stir everything nicely. Check the consistency before adding any water. Check for salt, spice, sweetness, sourness, and add whatever is required. We added half teaspoon of salt. We also added 1 teaspoon of sugar. We cooked the chicken for around 30 minutes. The cooking time will also depend on the cut of the chicken that you are using. Once the chicken is cooked, you will notice little oil floating on the top. This is also an indication that the chicken is ready. You can also remove a small piece of chicken to check if it is ready. If your chicken is cooked, turn off the heat. If not, cover and cook for some more time. Delicious chicken vindaloo is ready. This chicken tastes even more better if it is refrigerated and eaten the next day. Enjoy your chicken vindaloo hot with pulao, rice, bread or sanna. So until next time, stay blessed, stay healthy.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.